Hello and welcome to another update video about FET. So yeah, a lot of people requested FET. Obviously, you know, we got this sort of merge thing that's going on. I think FET has stopped trading on some exchanges, possibly. Maybe even here on Binance. It does say market open, but it doesn't really move much. But what I wanted to share with you is just sort of, yeah, I mean, it's broken below micro support. We'll need to, I don't know, I have to say, I don't know what happens with this chart when everything's completed, like the merger. So I don't know. If the chart changes, I will adjust. Okay, very, very simple. Then I will adjust. I will change the chart accordingly. I will put new setups on the chart, whatever. We'll see. We'll see. I mean, I don't think anybody knows really. People have been talking about, oh, the chart is changing for months, but so far nothing's happened. So I just want to share with you, you know, obviously we are all aware of it, you know, especially now it's all happening. And yeah, I'm not sure what's happening with the chart. Lots of questions, you know. Ben, what's happening with the chart when everything's completed? Now, I don't know. You know, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Nobody could answer it for me. I mean, you know, I prefer to just focus on the charts. And if the chart focuses, I mean, I wouldn't trade this right now. I have to say that as well. I wouldn't actively trade this. But you know, there are people who do it, whatever, you know, we'll see. We'll see what happens. And the levels haven't changed, okay? If I see the need to change any patterns, I will of course do that. For now, we can see that there is still the yellow scenario. It is still technically valid as long as the price holds above the red line. What is the yellow scenario? The yellow scenario suggests that a larger degree fourth wave bottomed on the 13th of April. Wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 to the downside, third wave up, so A, B, C, like the wave 1 was an A, B, C as well, and the wave 5 should be an A, B, C. However, the white scenario is also valid and starts to take control, but hasn't taken over yet, okay? Which means in the white count, we're moving down in a C wave of Y of 4. Essentially, this is the same scenario. In both scenarios, we're looking at a wave 4, okay? So we have a wave 4 either bottomed already, or because the price hasn't really done anything convincing yet to the upside, it's absolutely possible this wave 4 is still unfolding. And if the wave 4 is still unfolding, we might not see a low until the price reaches the area here between $1.78 and $1.64, but it might actually also then stretch to the next Fib level, which is normally the ideal Fibonacci retracement for a fourth wave. It's the 38.2 retracement at $1.57. So my target here to the downside for the white count would be between $1.78 and $1.57. But at the moment, the price could still turn around. Yeah, if the yellow scenario is to be preserved, yeah, then it needs a pretty imminent turnaround, because we are at the $2.2 level, which I highlighted as key support, last reliable support for the B wave here. Okay, we all know that B waves can, other than a wave 2, more easily overshoot, or in this case, overshoot to the downside, a support level, but the red line is then the invalidation point. There's a bit of a difference between support and invalidation. Anything between support and invalidation is like no man's land. The probabilities are starting to shift towards the white count, but we haven't actually invalidated the yellow count, okay? So what it really needs is from here a reversal to the upside, or it's just going to continue down in wave 3 in white, then another 4, 5. But bear in mind that would just be another opportunity potentially to accumulate. Now you have to decide if that's right for you, but it's another opportunity to accumulate potentially to get lower prices for FET. And for now, it's what is quite clear to me is that there is, you know, this is all corrective price action. I would need some kind of a smaller degree 1-2 setup in wave C of 3 to indicate that a low has formed. Minimally, a break above the $2.22 level that would be needed, followed by a break above $2.35. Those two levels, when broken, would give us an indication, signals that a low has been struck in yellow wave B. That's my update about FET. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.